Nubia, queen of Upper and Lower Egypt.
You have revealed the power of woman.
You are the light in men's hearts, ruling over fire, wind, and lightning.
Your power is equal to that of men.
From the Egyptian Nile to the great Ganges in India, as far even as Lutetia.
Now I know you. You are Isis, the Venerable.
Yes, I am Isis. I'm the unhappy goddess, for I can no longer find my temple in this chaos of rock. It has disappeared, swallowed up by your waters.
You are mistaken, Isis. Look, here. If you gaze through the 9th arch of the colonnade, you may once again see the island of Semnon, which modern men call Bige, that rocky isle which first received the bounty of my waters.
Here lies the tomb of Osiris.
Osiris, your husband and brother. This island where you came at 10-day intervals.
Yes, Abaton, the hidden place. The sacred place where I came to pour out libations of milk, to give my husband eternal youth.
Yes, Semnon is still there,